All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Jeep Renegade. It is the Trailhawk edition or package with 31,000 miles, 4x4, super nice alloy wheels, roof racks, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Like I said, very nice and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks great. Looks awesome with those the front toe grabbers or hooks or whatever. Looks really nice. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that. And let me get my tool out. Searching for it. Here it is. All right. Here we got 1, 2, 3. We got a couple of chips. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here in the fender. On your rim, we do have some curbing down here. Boom. About 2 inches. Pow, that's what it looks like. Let's check out your tire thread, which is under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. And what that looks like, I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. You see, it does have a little burn mark right there. Jump into his vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. All right. Of course, you got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Let's turn on the lights here. Boom. Turn on the radio. AM, FM, CD player, on, exit, all that good stuff as soon as it shows up. Any minute. Touchscreen here. There you go. AM, FM, CD player, on, exit, all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your 4x4 action right there. All right, that pretty much completes the tour. Steering wheel controls. This, of course, what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your miles of 31,966. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the fog lights. They're on. All lights are on. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. There you go. Rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around. If I didn't do this rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread back here. Yeah, that's right, 630 seconds. There it is, 630 seconds. Rear bumper looks good. Rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some with your owner's manuals as well. Coming around. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC rear passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is 730 seconds here. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. And your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. Look at the gen. Yep, 330 seconds there. All right, got some scuffing here in the corner, as you can see. Boom, boom, boom. That's about it. Fog lights are working. Things are happening. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk edition with 31,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.